Hi kids, how are you? Today I am going to repair my red car. Wow, let's see. Oh my god, my car is broken down. Can you help me? Of course, leave it to me. Let's scan the broken parts. Oh, here it is. Yes. Let's repair it. Oh no, how dusty is the part. Let's vacuum it. Let's join the wires color-wise. Pink, orange and green. Yay! Let's pour the liquid in the tanks. Pink. And then green. Yay! Very nice. Hooray! Let's assemble the parts. Green, blue, and then pink. Hooray! Now let's clean the car. Pick up the garbage and put it in the dustbin. Yes, good job. Very nice. Let's patch the damaged parts. Wow. Super. Amazing. Let's patch it. Star, hexagon, circle. Very nice. Let's paint it now. Super duper. Let's clean the car. Let's clean the dirt off the glass. Yay! Hooray! Amazing! Great! Very nice! Let's decorate the car. 1, 2, 3! Yay! Oh my god, my car is damaged again. Can you help me? Of course, leave it to me. Let's scan the damaged parts. Oh no, glass is broken. Let's change the parts. Let's change the glass of the door first. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's change the glass. Yay! Hooray! Let's fix the glass now. Yay! Yippee! Let's fuel the car. Very nice. Hooray! Now let's change the wheel. Super! Very nice. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's change the wheel. Yay! Red, green, pink and blue. Now, let's pump the wheel. Yay! Now, let's clean the inside of the car. Look how dirty the car is. Yeah. Very nice. Let's vacuum the dust in the car. Yay! Hooray! Now let's clean the AC. Let's change the steering and gear. Wow! Hooray! The car is ready now. Yay! Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Bye.